find out 3 ways you can make money with Genusity. Alright guys, you've been following my channel. You should know a company I'm with, Genusity, which is a home business opportunity. If you're not familiar with it, search my other videos, you can find out all about it. But just for this video's sake, I'm going to share with you 3 quick ways that you can actually profit from Genusity. It's a really good opportunity for anybody, I won't say on a budget, but like a low cost investment, you know, starting your own home business without spending tons and tons of money. And it's a cool product to offer people. All right, let me just say that. But the first way that you can make money with Genusity is by promoting and selling the products, okay? The products are something that a lot of people want. They're in high demand far as advertisements, right? What we promote is those proximity beacons. Hold on, let me see if I got it. Bam, here's the one I got. Show you I'm about that life. This is a proximity beacon. This called a BB. Damn hair in my mouth. This is called a BB unit. Basically, this displays a message, all right? Anybody who's 150 feet around this with their Android phone that's Bluetooth enabled, they will get whatever message that I want to advertise will pop up. You know, when you swipe down, it'll be a soft notification, right? So this is the product line, okay? So this is the smallest one, but we have like 5 or 6 different levels, so you can get up bigger products. Creates a longer distance. You can shoot your message out, you know, up to, I don't know how long it is, like 1,000 yards. It can go pretty far. So this is the ideal product. So you can actually strictly use Genusity as a platform just to sell these. And these are great for local businesses. Great for attorneys, realtors, stores, anything you could think of where there's marketing involved. A company can benefit, a business can benefit from having those. So you can literally just become a Genusity associate and just sell these, right? You could check the commissions and everything. You actually do get recurring commissions on these, so you can, you know, check that out. So that's one way, sell the product. A second way that you can make money is through building a team. And I hate using the network marketing, but basically it is. What you can do is get paid from other people that join Genusity and decide to you know, promote these products. Whatever they get, whatever they earn, you actually make money off of that, right? So you can literally take the other approach and not even mess with these if you don't want to, right? And just be like, you know what? I just want to build a team and make money off of other people's efforts. So essentially, say you go out and get 10 diehard people who just want to promote the hell out of these, right? And they just make a killing selling these beacons and these proximity marketing devices, right? You never ever have to sell one of these, and you can just kind of sit back and let other people make money for you, right? So the first 2 methods right there is enough to get people interested, especially if, you know, you're trying to start your own business, be your own boss, and make that passive recurring income. Those 2 reasons alone should be good enough. But there's a third way to make money with Genusity, and this is really cool, and why, you know, I like the program. I like the opportunity, because you can make money from your list. All right, whenever you're an associate, Genusity associate, whatever, you get the opportunity to build a list. Maybe if you're watching the video, you've seen it, maybe you're on it. But when you promoting the actual business, you actually are building a list at the same time. So you're getting people's names and emails, or just emails, depending if they leave their name or not. But you're building a list, right? And if you're watching this video, You already know people always talk about how important building a list is. Building a list, you need a list. The money's in the list, blah, 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 right? So when you're a Genusity associate, right, and you're building a list of potential people interested in the business. But guess what? This is your list. So now you can promote in the future other offers, other opportunities, other products, other, if there's another company you can suggest or want to suggest, you can do that with your list, right? And that's rare with a lot of, especially network marketing companies. You usually can't capture leads and stuff like that, and you can't really build your own list. I rarely see that, right? So if you combine these three reasons, selling the products, building a team, and building a list, like that's what you want. You know what I'm saying? When you're trying to build a business and make a passive income, right? But here's the really, really cool part. Well, a lot of people I don't think understand, but I run my Genusity business for $25 a month. That's it, right? And only reason it's $25 a month is because I got this beacon, which is just $10 a month, because I'm actually using the products. And you guys can use these products as well. All right, guys, so if you want to join Genusity, there's a link in the description of this video. All you need to do is click on it, and you can actually join today. What I always tell people is once you join, there's a webinar, right? Make sure you make time to attend a free webinar. It breaks everything down, gives you more details. And once you join up, you sign in, put your name and email, jumping on my list, right? But once you do and you decide to become an actual Genusity associate, I will actually be here to help you out every step of the way. There's a private Facebook group for Genusity members only. That's where you can go in there, and there's a ton of information and people making money. And I've been making money with Genusity for about the last 4 or 5 months. So it is real, and it's just easy. So if you're watching this video and you're looking for a work from home business opportunity and you're willing to grind a little bit, it's very easy and it's self-explanatory. 3 different ways I just gave them to you, and you actually could pick just one of them if you wanted to. Super low investment, cool products, build a list, build a team. Sky's the limit, guys. So check that out. If you got any questions, leave them to me, and I will be talking to you in the next video. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.